Dad, you got too much shit in the way. Peterbilt parked, fan. The freaking thing, I don't know, a freaking semi-truck. Another semi-truck, I guess you could say. He's gonna LS swap it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the vlog. It has been a minute because it has been winter, it has been snowing again and constantly. But I am trying to do this video. It is like 70 degrees outside today. I wanted to wash my car, get all the salt off of it because I told you it has been snowing and you can't really make a lot of car content in the snow. The one video that you can, we already did, snow drifting in Dylan's Veloster. Cut to that. But today I've been waiting to do this for a long time. I actually wanted to wait until later in the spring when I am going to do my annual deep detail, clay bar, wax, polish, you know, and like take a toothpick to all these little crevices in the interior and literally clean this car to make it showroom quality. I wanted to do that after winter is completely over and I know that there's not going to be any more snow or salt on the roads. But I can't wait any longer. I have had this since Christmas because it is what I asked for, and I want to install it because next weekend is Import Alliance Atlanta. We already got the hotel booked. We are going. And I want to have something small on my car. Just, I don't know, start the new season off. Start the new car season off. And I want to have something small. So, we have one of my favorite companies, We Are Likewise. We have their shift knob today. And another one of my favorite companies, In Focus. We have one of their shift boots today. So we're going to be installing the We Are Likewise shift knob. It is called the Chromosome NAD. I love this company. And then In Focus, we got the American flag shift boot because, you know, GTO. But yeah, so no one's helping me today. I'm going to try to do this by myself. Apparently, I have to take this entire center console out. And once I get in here, I can lift it up right here from these tabs and lift this entire thing up. And then I can take the shift boot out and the shift knob off, which again, General Motors, you are retarded because on every other car, you can just take the shift knob and twist it off, it's on a screw. But on the GTO, you cannot. This is held in by plastic clips, so there's no twisting it off. I have to physically break it off. I don't know why they did that. So again, General Motors, thank you so much for that. But we are going to try and install this today. Let's hope it goes smoothly. This should be a pretty quick install, but as I'm saying this, I know I'm jinxing myself and I'm gonna screw something up, and that's just my luck. So let's get started. Okay, before I get started, I guess I need to just get everything out of the center console. Keys, wallet over there, get this my Bluetooth adapter out. Thank you to my lovely girlfriend for getting that for me for Christmas. I don't listen to music a lot in this car because, you know, I have an exhaust to listen to. But in the winter when I can't roll my windows down and all I have are CDs, I get tired of that fucking music. So thank you, Kristen, for the Bluetooth adapter. I listen to it quite a lot and I love it. Also need to get this out. Let's go back a gear. Apparently, there's a screw right there. Right there. I gotta take that one screw out, and then most of this should just pop up. Let's hope. Okay. Little tiny screw. There's only one. So we are gonna put that. I'm gonna be smart about this. I'm gonna take this umbrella out of my side pocket. It's blue to match my car. I'm gonna put that in the back seat. I'm gonna put this, the only screw I have. There's nothing else in there. Just put it in there. Won't lose it that way. All right, now I need the small flathead. I should have grabbed it earlier, but I didn't. So as I'm reading online, what I need to do after I took that screw out is I need to pry up right here, and then pull this back so it unhooks, and then it will slowly just lift up. I gotta unhook those, and then all this center console piece should just come up. There it is. Okay. It's unhooking pretty easily, surprisingly. This kind of stuff scares me because I don't want to break any clips, and this car is out of production, so the entire company is out of business. So it scares me, but I know I can find the clips if I need to. It's just, I don't like doing this kind of stuff. Okay, after a little bit of tug of war, I finally got this from underneath the dash there, and once that came back, that's what they were telling me to do, is pull back on this, so that came out. I could lift that up and unplug the sensors. Alright, so you'd never fucking guess, but it's another day. I took this apart the other day and I got really fucking frustrated because it's not gonna happen. Here, I'll show you what I mean. In the Pontiac GTO, in every single car ever, there's usually a threaded stick, right? So I knew that in this car that there wasn't a threaded stick, but I didn't take into account that I bought this car with a short shifter in it. So if you can see, the short shifter goes way back in here, while the stock shifter on the GTO literally bolts into the transmission right here. So with my shift knob, I bought the Hearst thinking it would bolt in right there. It'd look good with my shift knob, but it's not gonna do that. So what we're gonna have to do is I'm gonna take the grinder, I'm gonna cut right there, smooth out these welds right here, drill through, and bolt it up. Start.
2,000 years later.
All right, now here comes the difficult part for me. We have the shift boot removed. Now I have to figure out how to get the shift boot removed from these retaining clips. And then once I get the shift boot removed, I can put the new one over this one and reattach it. It's just a cover to go over this shift boot. Since this one it's leather and it has like volume to it, this is just cloth. So this one will go slide over top of this one and then go back into the retaining clips. But I have to actually figure out how to get this shift boot removed from the plastic ring. And there's 3 retaining clips. There's 3 teeth that it has to slide through. No wonder. Hard. You just have to push it right through the center of all 3 teeth. There's 2 pushing down and then there's 1 pushing up. And if you push right through the center of them, it'll just go right through. This is gonna be what I like to call a bitch and a half to get back in though. That's him. She's good. All right, so this should just slide over. All right, it's the next day because it was getting dark last night when I was actually putting this in, so I wanted to wait until the next day so we had some sunlight so I could actually show you what it looked like and it wasn't grainy and dark. But yeah, again, I got the Hurst shift stick and we had to re-drill, cut, and grind down my short shifter so we could mount this, because thank you Pontiac for making a shifter with a clipped-on shift knob. Why? I don't know. But anyways, got the Hurst shifter, the InFocus shift boot, and the InFocus e-brake boot, and then the We Are Likewise. It's called the Chromosome NAD. I love this company. I know I said that before, but I just do. They are based out of Australia, but they do mostly JDM, Euro, stance kind of builds, and I'm going for that kind of build, but I thought it'd be cool to do that in an American car. And it's also kind of cool because, as I said, they're based out of Australia, and this car is originally from Australia. So, Aussies. But, yeah. InFocus shift boot. Got the Hurst shift stick. I still need to take this, and I want to tape it, like, right there so that it doesn't slide anymore. But like right now it's free. I need to find a way to like hold that down. And then the We Are Likewise, this will focus the knob right there. Looks good. I love it. I love the way it came out. It came out really clean. It's just different. Not a lot of people do this kind of stuff, especially in GTOs, but I wanted to do it. It looks good. I hope you guys like it. But honestly, I don't really give a fuck because this is my car and I love the way it looks.
America, fuck yeah! Freedom is the only way, yeah! Terrorists, your game is